the Shva vowel and all the rules that comes with said vowel. So for the purposes of our classes, I want you to assume that if this vowel is sounded, it's going to be eh. It should pop out of your top two front teeth, really at the roof of your mouth. Eh, as in bit, sit, kit, lit, fit. Any combination that has that IH sound, go for it. So for example, if it's at the beginning of a word, when we have the shva at the very beginning of a word, under the very first letter, it's going to be sounded. So we have the shin with this shva vowel sound. So shi, shema. Mem with this shva vowel sound. Mi, menorah. A lamed with the shva vowel sound. Li, olam. So together, shema, menorah, le'olam. At the end of a word, it's silent, as if it's not even there. The reason these shvas are here is for grammatical purposes. You do not need to worry about that. So assume as if it's not even there. You're just going to close to whatever that last letter is. In our case, all three examples I made are tav. So we have at, shoma'at, minat. When it's in the middle of a word and you have two different letters and the shvas are right next to each other, the first one is silent and the second one is sounded. The first one is silent and the second one is sounded. What do I mean by that? You're going to close to the consonant of the first vowel sound. So in our case, lamed with a shva and a nun with an a, nal. And we're going to pronounce the shva underneath the bet because it's sounded. Bisho. Together, nal bisho. Nal bisho. Same thing here. We're going to close to the consonant of the shin with the first shva and recite, pronounce the mem with the shva underneath it. Tash mirain. Tash mirain. Tash mirain. And similarly here, we're going to close the consonant of the sh for shin with the first shva and pronounce the mem with the shva since that's our second one is sounded. So we have mash miro. Mash miro. Mashmiro. So when you have one shva in the middle of a word and there's no twin letter or the same letter next to it, assume for our class it's going to be silent. If you're not sure, in the real world, either in learning a Torah reading or learning a piece of davening, go ahead and ask somebody. For our mental health and sanity, we're going to assume this is silent. So, shomrei. So we're assuming this is silent as if it's not even there. Shomrei. We're closing to that mem. Shomrei. Again, assuming the shva is not even underneath this lamed, we're going to close to the consonant of the lamed. Almei. Almei. Similarly here, we're going to close the consonant of the shin, assuming the shva is not even here. Ashrei. Ashrei. This is where I usually lose people. Excuse me for my typo. You have, when you have two of the same letter, you want to make sure you hear both of those letters. And 9 times out of 10, I think 10 times out of 10, you're only going to have one shva. So it's the example of one shva in the middle of a word is usually silent. But in this case, because we have two of the same letter back to back, we want to hear both of those letters. So for example, sha, ti, ta. I want to hear both of the t in tav. Sha, ti, ta. Sha, ti, ta. We want to hear both of these lamids. So we're going to pronounce both of these vowel sounds. Sho, li, la. Sho, li, la. Sho, li, la. Similarly here, where we have two mems, we want to hear each of these mems. So we'll recite each of these vowel sounds. Ro, mi, ma. Ro, mi, ma. Ro, mi, ma. So again, we want to hear both of these letters separately. We're going to pronounce each of these vowel sounds. Sha, ti, ta. Sho, li, la. Ro, mi, ma. And I will catch you back in our book. And we'll review some of these Shva vowel sounds in the letter vowel combinations that the book provides us with.